Hi everyone, welcome back to Drunk Cooking with Thủy. Today we're making this delicious Vietnamese chicken salad. For the salad, you will need boiled chicken, cabbage, jalapeno, red onion, carrot, Vietnamese coriander. And for the sauce, you will need lamb, ginger, garlic, Thai chili, sugar, and fish sauce. Shred the chicken and set aside. Shred the cabbage thinly, wash clean and set aside. Slice the red onion thinly. Julienne the carrot into matchstick size. Julienne the jalapeños into matchstick size. Strip the Vietnamese coriander off the stem. Discard the stem, you only use the leaves here. Now let's mix all the ingredients together and you are done with the salad. Now let's make the sauce. Garlic, ginger, Thai chili, sugar, and lamb juice. Pound all the ingredients together. Add the fish sauce and mix well. You can dress the salad and eat it as is, or eat it with Vietnamese sesame rice cracker.